Hey y'all, it's Cookie and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to get real about some of these quick and easy recipe claims. You know the ones I'm talking about, where they claim you can get dinner done in 15 minutes or even a 5-course meal in 30. Yeah, I always have to wonder, is it true? And I love cooking, but I don't always have the luxury of spending an hour in the kitchen, especially after a long day. So I'm going to put some of these claims to the test to see if we can really get these recipes completed in 15 or 30 minutes. No pre-chopped veggies, no prepping ahead, and I do not chop like an iron chef. So by the end of these videos, we will find out if you can really get that recipe done in 15 or 30 minutes. Let's get started.
Sweet potato cottage cheese bowl for a few months now, and I simply cannot get enough. It's a little sweet, a little savory, loaded with nutrients, and has 40 grams of protein, and you can make it in just 20 minutes.
All right, you heard it. 20 minutes. Let's go. Okay, so didn't quite get it done in 20 minutes. Timer is stopping at, technically it says 48, but I got done at like 45. If it wasn't for different variables like my daughter not putting things back where they belong and I had to go searching for them. My husband calling me in the middle of me cooking. And me having a dance party in the middle of cooking too. I probably could have got it done in 20 minutes. So, final product. It looks good. My family's excited. Huh?
We have more.
I can make more because I can make it in 20 minutes apparently.
Okay.
All right, let's eat.